What's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you what I got going on here. And this is a prime example of when I'd consider topping my plants. If you see them growing really tall and not as wide as you'd like, and you want the energy to go wide and up and not just up, you should probably top it. So this thing got the bottoms nice and pruned up, nice and healthy. Not the biggest stalk for how tall this thing is, but yeah, so if I'm standing right here, it's about 6 or 7 feet already, but not the widest. So I'm gonna come through and chop that top, and in the next week or two you'll just see it explode. It's about to be the full moon, so these plants are getting a lot of light right now, especially in the nighttime. They get that extra little boost, and they do react to that. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what it looks like and what happens. Peace.